Decoding Functions, a journey through mathematics and English. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving deep into the world of mathematics while polishing our English skills. Our topic of discussion is functions and their properties, from the intermediate algebra and coordinate geometry section of the ACT test. So, whether you're a math enthusiast, an English language learner, or both, this video has something for you. Let's get started. In mathematics, a function is a relation between a set of inputs and a set of possible outputs. Each input is related to exactly one output. Think of it as a machine. You feed it an input, and it gives you an output. A common example is the vending machine. You input money and make a selection, e.g., a chocolate bar, and the machine outputs the desired item. Key terms to remember: input, the value you provide to a function; output, the result you get from a function. Every function has a few essential properties. 1. Domain, the set of all possible input values. 2. Range, the set of all possible output values. 3. Function notation, represented as f, x, f, x, f, x, where f denotes the function and x is the input. Imagine a function as a unique recipe. The ingredients, input, you put in determine the dish, output, you get out. The domain is like the list of all available ingredients, while the range is all possible dishes you can create with those ingredients. Functions can come in various shapes and sizes. Some of the most common types include: 1. Linear functions, represented by straight lines on a graph. 2. Quadratic functions, often look like U-shaped curves called parabolas. 3. Exponential functions. They grow or decay at a certain rate. Each type of function tells a different mathematical story. Just like in English, where different genres of stories have their unique characteristics, these functions have their special traits. When you plot functions on a graph, they often cross or touch the x and y axes. These points are of great importance. 1. X-intercept, the point where the function touches or crosses the x-axis. 2. Y-intercept, the point where the function touches or crosses the y-axis. Just like in a story where the climax or the turning points are significant, in coordinate geometry, these intercepts provide valuable insights about the function. There you have it, a brief overview of functions and their properties, all while enhancing our English language skills. Functions are fundamental in mathematics, and understanding them will open doors to more complex topics. We hope this video has been both educational and enjoyable. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.